You have been struggling to get 1000 subscribers on your channel. Then this hack I'm about to show you, I tested it on one of my YouTube channel that I'm using to test shorts, and it worked. Under 1 week, I was able to get over 200 subscribers. Imagine I was consistent and I was posting more videos and I was doing this hack I'm about to show you in this video. Then I'll be able to hit my 1000 subscriber in the next 1 month. Yes, do not let anybody deceive you. You can growth on YouTube is different. You can get 1000 subscriber in 2 days, you can get 1000 subscriber in 1 week, you can get 1000 subscriber in 1 month. So if you are doing this hack I'm about to show you, you are going to get your 1000 subscriber in any of this time frame if you are consistent. Now what I'm about to show you is what many creators often ignore. They usually say do collab, do this, collaborate, blah blah blah, upload a lot of shorts. Yes, all those features are good, but there's a hidden feature YouTube has rolled out, and it is what has been around for a very long time. It is an old method to be able to get your 1000 subscribers, because let me tell you something, these things are there on YouTube to be able to maximize your reach and maximize your channel to get 1000 subscribers. Now what am I saying in essence? You can see this channel right here. She's able to get her subscribers through this method I'm about to show you. This method has given her over 145k subscribers, and she has already gotten the YouTube play button. Do you see? This method is what I'm about to show you here is what has worked for so many channels, but a lot of YouTubers usually skip this. They usually feel that, oh, there's no need to do it, there is need to use it. And what am I saying in this video? This is what I am saying. This is it right here. Using shorts to get your 1000 subscribers. Not just using shorts. Oh, I'm coming. Not just using shorts. Now when you want to create your shorts, you are going to start creating your shorts right there. You go to your shorts videos, and then you can see that before you start creating shorts, you watch other people's shorts. You see how they get views and subscribers from their shorts. They use sound. That is how you can be able to maximize your own reach. You use sound. You go to other people's shorts, see how they are getting views, use that sound that's under their shorts and create your own video. Now you can do this by clicking on use sound. When you click on use sound, just like this, you are going to now create the same video or another type of video for your own, for that same sound. You might not do what they did on that video. You can be creative. And when you do this, every YouTuber that has already used that sound, your video will be amongst it. How do I know this? This is how you are going to see it. This is how you are going to see it. When you decide to use sound, you create sound like this. Now when you click on use sound, you are going to see that you can see my video here is showing 606 views, and then the next person's video, that is that lady's video, that lady's channel I was showing you about, is getting 1.3k views. That means I was part of the people that use this sound, and now my video is now part of this sound. Now anybody that is scrolling through TikTok and is listening to this sound, because this is how YouTube recommendation work. When you are watching a video that has a sound and you stay on that video for a long time, YouTube is going to keep recommending that all the video that is under that sound. I'm sure you have seen it on TikTok also, where you are watching a video and there is a particular sound that you like, and then there's a video you like to watch under that same sound. TikTok will keep recommending that same sound, all the video that are under that sound. That means everybody that use that sound will get views, will get subscribers, will get followers. That is how it works for YouTube Shorts. Do you see now? This is an old method and many people usually skip this. Many people usually ignore this method. So what do you have to do right now? I don't need to really teach you how to use sound for your YouTube video. You already know how to upload shorts, so you already know how to use sound. When you are scrolling on your YouTube short, make sure that you are scrolling on your YouTube short and you are using all the trending sound on that YouTube short for your own video. Even if it's a YouTube growth video, even if it's a faceless video, make sure that you use that sound and reduce the you are going to reduce the volume of that sound. If you know that you don't want to, that sound does not resonate with your video, reduce the volume of that sound and then increase the volume of your own video sound. That is how you can be able to make sure that your video is under that sound, and anybody watching those video that has that sound will watch your own video. That is how it works. And what happens if they watch your own video? They will subscribe to your channel. Even if you don't do this, they will still subscribe to your channel, and that is how you keep getting subscribers every single day. And now this is how you are going to be getting subscribers every day. You don't need to complain that I do not get subscribers, I do not get subscribers on my channel, I'm a new channel. If you are a new channel, this is going to work for you. If you are an old channel and you are not getting subscribers, this is going to work for you. And if your channel has been stagnant, it has been static, it's not getting subscriber, this is going to work for you. So start implementing this right now. What you have to do is, when you want to do a YouTube video, just go to the trendy sound that you are seeing and then use it. Now if you are scrolling on YouTube and you're asking yourself that, oh, how can I use this sound, I've forgotten a sound, there's a sound I want to use, I've forgotten it, that's gone. Save every sound you know that is interesting to your niche. Save all the sound. When you save the sound, whenever you want to upload a video like this, you are going to, like, say you want to upload a video, then you are going to see saved sound on the other side. Then click on save. You are going to see all the sounds that you have saved for a very long time. Then you can now start going there and pick any sound that you want to use and that you have saved for your channel. And then once you do this, you are going to be getting a whole lot of subscribers every single day. Apart from collaborating and snitching other people's video using the YouTube collab, aside from using remix on the YouTube short, you can also use sound. Maximize all the features on that YouTube short, maximize them. Use the three. Always use the three on any of your video that you created, and you're going to see that you are going to be getting a whole lot of subscribers at the end of the day. Now if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips, strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel the right and organic way, how you can get your 4,000 watch hour, how you can get your 1,000 subscriber to get to monetization, and how you can make money on YouTube. Now if this is the video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's not be your last, so you can see my next upload. And now watch my video right here on how you can be able to get your 4,000 watch hour if you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour. Watch this video right here. It's going to really help you to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.